Hello students, this is a GATE previous year question. This question is from GATE 2008. Let's see the question. The question is saying that which of the following statement is true? Yes, we need to choose the correct statement. Statement number 1 is saying that TCP handle both congestion and flow control. Yes, TCP is handling both congestion control and the flow control. This is a true statement. TCP is a connection oriented reliable protocol. TCP is maintaining both error control, flow control and congestion control, and TCP is mainly used for the unicast transmission, not for the multicast or the broadcast transmission. Okay. Statement number 2 is saying that UDP handle congestion but not flow control. No, this statement is false. UDP is a connectionless unreliable protocol, not maintaining the flow control, not maintaining the particular error control, or not maintaining the congestion control. Statement number 3 is saying that fast retransmission deal with congestion but not flow control. We know fast retransmission is the fast recovery is the mainly the congestion control third phase. In the congestion detection phase, we do fast recovery. Sometimes the timeout will occur, that is the congestion detection mechanism. If 3 duplicates acknowledgement are arrives, this will also a fast retransmission. When 3 duplicate acknowledgement are arrive, the sender will immediately send the particular segment for which the acknowledgement is comes without waiting for the timeout. So this one is maintaining the congestion control as well as the flow control or not. So this one is maintaining this, mainly this is the part of the congestion control, and this is also maintaining the flow control, because the size of the that particular segment is already defined in the congestion window. So this is true statement. Statement number 4 is saying that slow start mechanism deals with both congestion control and flow control. Yes, we know TCP is a protocol which is maintaining both congestion control, flow control and the error control. This statement is also true statements. So statement number 2 is false only, or all 3 statements, statement number 1, statement number 3, statement number 4 are true. Okay, so which one of the following is true? So statement number 1, 2 and 3 only. No, 2 is false, so this one is not answer. 1 and 3, this one is not answer. 3 and 4, this one is not. 1, 3 and 4 both are true. Yes, correct answer is answer number D. Correct answer is answer number D. Okay, thank you.